Good day, everyone. I am John Mark G. Satumba, together with my co-discussant, Apple Grace Santiago. Today, we are going to talk about Chapter 6, Lesson 6. It's Statistical Treatment Pre. What to expect. At the end of the lesson, the students can first discuss the commonly used statistical tools in a quantitative research. Second, identify an appropriate statistical treatment for the study. Lastly, write the statistical treatment of the proposed study. Statistics. It is the body of knowledge and techniques used in collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. So the statistics is the use, organize, present the data that has been gathered in the research. Two branches of statistic. First is descriptive statistic. It involves tabulating, depicting, and describe the collected data. The data are summarized to reveal overall data pattern and make them manageable. So the descriptive statistic is used to summarize and describe the main future of data. So second is inferential statistic. It involves making generalization about the population through a simple drawn from it. It also include hypothesis testing and sampling. So while the inferential statistic is analyzes infer properties of the population, for example, by testing and estimates. Levels of measurement of variables. Nominal data. These are attributes that only name variables. These data are considered at the simplest level. So the data that can be labeled or classified into mutually exclusive categories within a variable. Next is ordinal data. These are attributes of variable that can be placed as one is higher than two. They can be used for ranking purposes. They are mostly used in Likert scaling. So the ordinal data is a type of data that has a natural ordering or ranking. Next, interval data. These are attributes of variable where the distance from one number to the other has meaning. So this is a private data collected with the organization. Next is ratio data. These are attributes of variables that has a natural zero. So this data is distinguishing property of ratio is that it has a true zero. Common statistical tools. Descriptive statistics. Number one, frequency distribution. It is the record of the number of individual or cases located in each category on the scale of measurement. So frequency distribution is represented either a graphical or tabular format that display the number of observation. Second, proportion. Proportion, it is the total frequency divided by the number of cases in each category. It can be derived from the frequency distribution. So the proportion is from frequency distribution. Third is percentage. It is the proportion expressed in percentage or proportion by percentage. So the percentage is expressed by 100. Number four, measures of central tendencies. It is indicate where the center of the contribution tend to be located. It refers to the typical or average score in the distribution. So the measure of the central tendencies is the summary measure that attempts to describe a whole set of data with single value. Mode. It refers to the most frequently occurring score in a distribution. So The mode is the number that occurs the highest number of time. Median. It is the middlemost value in a distribution below or above which is exactly 50% of cases that are found. So the median is the middle number in a sorted list of numbers. So mean. Mean. It is the exact mathematical center of distribution. It is equal to the sum of all scores divided by the number of cases. So mean is the average of data set. Number 5, variability or dispersion. It refers to the extent and manner in which the score in the distribution differ from each other. Next, range. It is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in the given distribution. So the range is how the high or how the low it value.